Now it is Saturday afternoon. This is time for fun or maybe some small jobs. My weekends aren't just about housework. I also go out and enjoy the day. Let's practice speaking together with a few afternoon scenarios. I will act out a situation and you try to answer as if we're talking. Don't be shy, you can speak out loud. I will stop and give you time to speak. The weather is beautiful today, isn't it? Do you want to join me at the park? You could answer with something like, "Sure, that sounds great." Or, "Yes, I'd love to go to the park with you." So we decided to meet at the park. When we meet, I say, "I'm so happy you came. It's a perfect afternoon to hang out at the park." The phrase hang out means to spend time in a place or with someone, usually doing something fun or just chatting. In this case, hanging out means we'll relax at the park together without any rush. Maybe we'll sit on a bench and chat or walk around. At the park, I might ask you, "What do you want to do?" We could take a walk, eat something, or just sit and enjoy the sun. If I ask, "What do you want to do?" how could you respond? It's your turn to answer. Maybe you'd say, "Let's take a walk," or "How about we play frisbee?" Great ideas! I love hearing your answers. This way, you practice speaking English as if you were really here with me. While walking, I might start a friendly conversation. Do you come to this park often on weekends? You could answer, "Yes, I come here every Saturday." Feel free to actually answer me. The more you practice speaking, the more confident you'll become.